Ready? What's up guys? This is your homeboy Sam Halabi here, reporting from Sharjah, all the way from Abu Dhabi. I am finally at Mohd Amin Anjum Auto Repair here in Sharjah, and they are doing the works for Honda, including my car. So I'm gonna be taking you through the workshop in a minute. Alright guys, so this is the workshop, Mohd Amin Anjum Auto Maintenance Workshop in Sharjah, and they do all kinds of mechanical, electrical maintenance work, including the air conditioning work. And we have our car that's in for the gear work, and the guys are working at the moment. I'm gonna make this quite quick. So they have even the parts that they source out locally and internationally. This is a Civic Si from USA. They got a lot of J35 6-cylinder engine and K24. This is a K24 Z3 engine. This one over here is a K24A8. So they've got a couple of engines lying around here. That's a probably D16 engine over there. I remember one of the guys was asking about the D16. So I'm going to be taking you through the there's a lot of parts in here. This is the D16. I'm looking at the gear as well. This is this is a D15 B3. Interesting. This is a D15 B3 JDM engine with S1LA gear. Normally a D16 comes with a S14C gear. However, moving forward, that's a cross-tier all-wheel drive. This is my gear here, which is the donor for the CVT gear for the Honda City 2017. And this is their small store they have in racking the parts, starters, and other engines of Hondas. A couple more engines of K24s and J35s inside. I can see they have quite a number of J35 engines and K24 engines as well. So the workshop is called Mohd Amin Anjum Auto Repair Workshop here in Sharjah, and they got also some storage upstairs. Quite decently designed and laid out. This is a warehouse. It's a big workshop. As you can see, all of those vehicles are in for the vehicle repairs and maintenance works. Mainly they're specified and their focus is on the Honda, mainly Japanese cars. And we've got an ample space of parking just outside the workshop. If you guys need anything at all, Mohd Amin Anjum Auto Repair Workshop is a recommended shop by myself, and many others know this workshop for their professionalism and for their quality of work, and they have excellent prices as well. So from myself, Sam Halabi, I'll see you guys soon.